2nd of November 2019, Operation Broken Arrow will be in full effect. A military stealth aircraft has disappeared off the radar, carrying the latest in nuclear weaponry. Local militia must not get their hands on ANZ-10. Coalition forces led by Commander Keith. Their objective is to retrieve and secure the warheads and rescue the pilot before falling into enemy hands. But we ain't gonna let them do that. Myself, Commander Hudson, will be leading the militia. Our objective is to prevent the Coalition forces from retrieving the missile warheads. We need to locate enemy secure storage and blow it. Let's put on a show. Blow their fuel depot to Kingdom Come. They're gonna try and save the pilot. Hunt him down. Do not let him leave alive. Suppose the only question now is, whose side are you on?